Very good. Yes, Tarun.
This napkin is wet. This napkin is dry. This pen is thick. Thin. This pen is thick.
Good.
This water balloon is heavy, and this balloon is light.
Good.
And this tail is long, and this tail is short.
Good.
This water is cold water. This water is hot water. Rough, smooth.
Good.
On, off.
Very good.
This is white strip of paper. This is black strip of paper. This action is push. This action is pull.
Very good.
The boy is climbing up the stairs. The boy is climbing down the stairs. This glass is empty. This glass is full.
Very good, children. Wonderful.